In this video, you will learn to create a resume, specifically how to format the resume in a Word document. In high school, you will learn how to determine what information is appropriate for your resume, but for this video, we will focus on formatting and what is the purpose of a resume. You may be wondering, what is a resume? You may have heard parents, siblings, relatives, or others talking about creating a resume. Simply put, a resume is a 1 to 2 page document that sums up a job seeker's qualification for the jobs they are interested in. More than just a formal job application, a resume is a marketing tool that job seekers use to communicate their value to employers. When graduating high school or when you graduate college, you will most likely start applying for jobs. Jobs, like everything in life, are competitive, and employers want to hire the best of the best. A resume is a document that shows an employer what qualifies you over the other employees for a position. While a good resume will not guarantee you a job, it can determine if a business even considers you for the position. A resume summarizes the most important information an employer needs to know when they consider a new hire. It includes the job seeker's name and contact information. It also includes a job seeker's relevant qualifications, training, and work history, and they are listed under easily understood resume headings such as Summary of Qualifications, Professional Experience, or Education. A typical resume will include all these various sections. Contact information includes the job seeker's name, address, phone number, and email. This information is important because it communicates to the employer who you are and provides information for them to get in contact with you. Let's create the first portion of a resume. To do this, open a Word document and save the file as resume. Next, center align your cursor. Change the font style to Times New Roman and size 26 font. From here, we will type in the name of the applicant. Next, right-click behind the text. Select Paragraph. Change the after spacing to 0, and change the line spacing to single. From here, click OK. Change the font size to 12-point font. It is important in a resume to keep a consistent font. Next, click Enter twice. From here, key the following information. To create the vertical lines between the zip code and the cell phone, all you need to do is hold down on the Shift key and click the backslash key, which is located between the backspace and the Enter key. Click Enter twice again and type in Summary. The Objective or Summary of Qualifications section provides relevant and impressive qualification for the desired position presented at the top of the page, directly under the contact information. For our sample resume, our applicant is applying for a golf course management position. Our applicant needs to explain in a short summary what qualifies him for the job. From here, bold the summary. From here, click Enter once and create a line that is in line with the left and right indentations. From here, key the following information. Make sure that the text is left aligned in Times Roman size 12 font. Next, hit Enter twice. Center align the text and type in the word experience. Bold the text and create a line under experience that is in line with the left and right indentations. The experience section of a resume is used to show an employer what qualifies you for a position. If you want to set yourself apart from other applicants, you need to show what work experience makes you qualified. For this applicant, he is applying for a golf course management position. His resume work experience should show that he is qualified for this position. Some relevant jobs that our applicant has that qualifies him for this position are being an assistant professional at a golf course. Also, our applicant has coached at the collegiate level. Both of these jobs are important to put on the resume because they both deal with golf, show his understanding of the game, and also show responsibility he has had in these positions that will translate to the position he is applying for. In this section, we will create bullet points that summarize what different experience and skills the applicant brings from each job. Key the following text. Make sure to bold the text in the correct areas. This highlights to the employer the position, the time worked there, and the location for each work experience. Next, click Enter 3 times. Centerline the text. Type in the word education and bold the text. Hit Enter once and create a line that is in line with the left and right indentations. The education section, as the title suggests, is the section that gives the employer information about where the applicant went to school and their level of education. Type in the following information. Change the words Masters of Business Administration 2003 to bold, and do the same for Associate of Turf and Golf Course Management concentration 2001. Resumes are used to make a favorable impression on prospective employer. Your resume is often the first impression a potential employer has of you. For this reason, it is often referred to as the most crucial step taken during a job search. Now that you have finished your resume, check your work for grammar and formatting. Once you have completed this, save your work and show Mr. Lewis.